Hey y'all, so today I wanted to show y'all how to make your own best press. So first of all, we are going to get 2 cups of distilled water. I don't know, it just said that. 2 cups. Probably. Wait, yeah. Okay, here's my spray bottle. Empty spray bottle. And there's the 2 ounces of the distilled water. Here is some essential oil. I got mint. And we are going to put 10 drops inside here. Oh my lord. Hold on. Yay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9,
Just for being out there almost an hour.
10. Oops, did 11. That's okay. And excuse for the ugliness of my bottle, but I've had this for like 100 years. And I need 1/3 cup of liquid starch, concentrated liquid starch. Okay, got that. Let's see. Come on, dude. Hey. Oh man, I didn't buy a big enough bottle. Oh, but that's okay. That's close enough. It's just a little sip that was left over. And then last but not least would be 1 ounce of vodka. And I don't have that, but that's okay. And now it's ready to go. And that's it. Okay, I'm going to shake this up real quick and just use this. Let me see. Get in my belly. Okay. I don't think you need the starch. I mean the vodka. I don't drink, so I don't have vodka. But that's okay. And it's Sunday and there are no vodkas open. No stores open. Alright. So we're gonna see this bit of hold on. This homemade best press, partial best press works. Whew. Alright, let's see what we got. So here's the one that I made. My sister-in-law is actually going to be bringing me the vodka to put in here. And, cause see what, this is a 12 ounce. See, I should have, well, they didn't have a bigger one. They didn't have a bigger bottle. Cause I just went to Walmart, but they didn't have a bigger bottle. That's okay. Alright, let me get one of these. Doesn't have a lot of starch in it, obviously. Let's see how this goes. What the fuck? Why is it not working? Am I missing something? There it goes. Okay. Oops, nope. That's not the kind that I want. That's a stream. I don't have a spray? The mist? Okay, I'm taking this off. Push it. Okay. God damn it. I think I just bought the wrong kind. Plus, I broke it. Okay. Oh, there it goes. Now we're cooking. Okay. All right, now I'm just that don't smell like no mint. That don't smell like no mint to me. And I know it can't be the starch. Okay, let's try this again. Let's see. Okay. Just don't understand that smell. What the fuck is that smell? I'm gonna try it again. Spraying it until I figure out what the smell is. It's not the oils. It's supposed to smell like mint. It don't smell like mint. Or maybe I need to shake it up more. There, let's try that. Okay. Well, it doesn't stink anymore. Maybe that's what I needed to do. Just mix it. I'm going to put some more essential oil in here. Hold on real quick. Okay. Yeah, this is mint. Let's see. Maybe I do need the vodka. Let's see. If I put 10. Fuck it. Let's just fuck it. Just squirt a whole bunch in there. Okay, let's see now. Let's see if this will work. Hold on. Yeah, and you know what? Let's try this again. Okay. Stinks more. I don't think this is a good one. Marky! It's just... Mark, what does it smell like? Can you smell it? I don't think it smells very good. I think I need...
It kind of smells like horse crap.
That's what I'm thinking, like poo-poo. Maybe that vodka is for, I guess, for that reason. It can't be the old starch. It smells like poo-poo.
Kind of does, yeah.
I was trying to figure it out. I think it's the starch, Mark. But I've never had any issues with that starch before.
How is that stuff?
Psh, man, I've had that for years.
Probably the problem right there. It's too old. Don't certain things
See,
if you keep it
'cause
too old, it's gonna go bad.
I think we just made a poo-poo best press. You smelt it as soon as you got up here?
Not just before I went.
Shit.
U.S. hits pro Iran.
I mean, hey, it's ironed. It's pressed real good. Here, smell this, Marky.
Or it kind of smells like old chocolate.
Is it that?
It kind of does smell like old chocolate.
Old chocolate?
Or
Maybe
like,
because of the mint.
Or like some real high quality
Horse poo-poo?
mixed with hay and stuff.
Well, there you have it. I guess you do need the vodka. And probably some brand new starch. So I guess I need to go get another bottle of starch. But I'm going to get a smaller bottle of starch. And then take this back. But there you go. That's how you make a poo-poo scented best press. All right. Well, I'm going to go on ahead and go. Don't forget to like, subscribe, all the other good stuff with all the YouTubers says. And I will see y'all in the next. Peace.